What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today I'm going to be talking about my experience with the Note 10 Plus. Everybody know that I got the Royal Brew. What I call this is the Nipsey Blue 10 Plus. Stay tuned. Alright, so I have the Note 10 Plus, aka Nipsey Blue 10 Plus, for over a month, and I want to talk about all the good things, not so good things about it. Let's go with the not so good about it. Sometimes the phone could feel a little bit too big for my hand, and I have big hands, a little bit too big. Right now I don't have. That's the only thing I have complained. Good thing about it is, all the good things is that for a device like this is amazing. Like I really, the only complaint that I have is the big hands. That's it. I got big hands and the phone still feels a little bit too big, but that's what you expect from the Note lineup from Samsung. Battery life is amazing. I'm not talking about how long it lasts, because a lot of people talk about how long it lasts. When it comes is when you charge the phone. When I charge this phone, I'm talking about 30 minutes. I could have it, depending where I'm at, but in 30 minutes I could get 50% out of them 30 minutes charging, just with the 25. With the 50 watt, I could be pushing at least 70%. It's crazy. The way the software works on this, nice and smooth. Let's say I'm editing a picture or rendering a video, because I did something to it, is buttery smooth. Picture quality, I really can't complain it. The S Pen, believe it or not, I use it every day. Even if it's like for 2 or 3 minutes, I still use it. It's very helpful for depending what I'm doing in there. And before I keep going, let me shout out Chun-Li and Bison. They want to stop by. They wanted to hear me ramble about the Galaxy Note 10, aka Nipsey Blue 10 Plus. I enjoy myself. Like I come from, that'll be another video. Let's just keep going. Experience on this phone is amazing. How you could customize everything on this phone is beautiful. Like, y'all see my wallpaper. My son loved this wallpaper. He always want to be using my phone, because it's crazy to be able to be excited with a phone that you could customize it, and especially you could put different wallpapers to hide the camera so the phone looks flat. I have a Nova launcher as a launcher, if that makes any sense, and it hides everything. I'm talking about everything that is in the screen, just the wallpaper looking nice and beautiful. When people see my phone, they're like, yo, what kind of phone you have? And I tell them I got the Note 10 Plus, aka Nipsey Blue 10. They ask me why aka Nipsey Blue, cause it's a Royal Blue. It's blue. I gotta keep the marathon going, man. So when it comes down to programs, they open up nice and smooth. My Instagram, you already know, nice ladies, tech all day, nothing too crazy. It's just, I really can't complain about it, man. I really can't complain about it. And like, I'm gonna repeat it again. Excuse me. The battery, yeah, you could use, let's say you could use 8 hours of your phone hammering it, but then it takes like 2.5, 3 hours to charge it. With this phone, the most I last charging it from zero is 1 hour and 10. I usually plug it off before it gets to 100, and if it does get to 100, it is what it is. But I could use 8 hours and turn around, charge it for a little bit, and get another 5 hours out of it. Man, that's impressive. You can't put a price on it. The camera, taking pictures of the camera. Let me take a picture of Chun-Li real quick. Let's take a nice picture of Chun-Li. Hopefully y'all can see it, what I'm doing. Like, it's beautiful. You really can't complain about it. Camera is on point. Let's take a selfie. Let's see how ugly I look today. You can see all my hair, my eyes. I was a little shaky, but it's okay. Instagram, taking pictures of Instagram, you could take it right off the Instagram right off the camera. Just throw right on the Instagram is dope. The night mode is crazy also. I haven't tried the Panamera. I don't need to try that one. The Pro is ridiculous. Live focus is nice too. See, I can't really complain about it. I've seen on other YouTubers saying about the camera. Man, camera is perfect. I'll be honest with you. You can't really complain about it. If you do, you just picking and choosing what brand you want. If the brand is dope, it's dope. I have anything but good. I wanted to do this video, but I didn't know how to do it. My kids love it. My son and my two sons. My daughter's a little bit too young to be messing around, but they both enjoy. I have my little one do math problems, learning how to write his name, which is to make him relax, chill, don't be bothering me. I give him my phone, he does his thing, use it for 2 hours, come back, and I still have a bunch of battery life left. And if I need to quick charge it, like I said, I will have so much charge, and the percentage would be so high for so little time charging it. Is crazy. I really can't complain about this phone. The accessories, everything, I love how it looks. It's beautiful. I really can't complain. I'm very happy that I got this phone. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.